Okay, matagal ka na ba na nagfe-Facebook? Kung hindi mo pa alam ito na pwede ka nang kumita sa Facebook, gamit lang yung Facebook mo, ha? Pwede ka nang kumita kahit wala ka pang madaming followers. Okay, for today's video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano i-turn on ang professional mode mo dyan sa iyong Facebook account. But before that, dapat po naka-like kayo sa ating video and nakasubscribe sa mga bago pa. At isa pa, kailangan na may comment kayo or mag-iwan kayo ng comment nyo dyan dahil mamimili po tayo ng bibigyan natin ng GCash giveaway. Okay? Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Gusto mo bang kumita ng extra income online? I-click mo na ang subscribe button at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka pag may bago tayong upload. Okay? So, ayan, mag-start na tayo. So, nakikita nyo, ito yung aking Facebook. Ayan, kita nyo yung pangalan ko. O, i-add nyo ako kung gusto nyo or i-follow nyo ako. Bakit naman, okay? So, ayan, i-ano natin to. Ang i-click natin, etong, nakita nyo tong 3 dots na to or 3 na tuldok, i-click natin yan. And then, pagka-click po natin ng tatlong tuldok na yan, may lalabas na ganito. Follow settings, profile status, archive, view as, lock profile, activity log, manage posts, review post and tags, privacy center, search, turn on professional mode, and share profile. So, syempre, alam nyo na agad, diba? So, ito yung i-click natin, si professional mode. Okay, pagka-click natin yan, ito yung lalabas guys ha, nakalagay dito, turn on professional mode. Add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. Get paid for your content if you're eligible. Unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. See content insights. Learn more about your audience and see how well your content is. So, nakita nyo, diba? Ngayon, dahil nga updated na tong si Facebook or si Meta, meron na siyang bagong bagong tools na pwede ka nang kumita kahit ikaw ay wala pang napakaraming followers. So, dito, 3 na agad yung pwede mong pagkakitaan, no? Content monetization at saka yung stars and then yung mga post or text mo, 'di ba? Napakaganda nito. So, i-click natin itong turn on. So, ayan, pagka-click natin ng turn on, makikita nyo dito, welcome to professional mode. You've unlocked more tools on your profile to help you grow your public presence and achieve your goals. Let's quickly cover the basics. Okay, ito, define your audience, learn about monetization tools, explore professional tools, and celebrate. Okay, and then syempre click mo tong next. Okay, then nakalagay dito after mo i-click ang next, define your audience, decide who can see your future content. The audience for any of your previously shared content won't be changed. You can let more people see your content. If you want to grow your audience, we suggest setting your audience to public to let more people, including your followers, see and engage with your content. And then click next. So, dito pwede kang mamili, nakalagay dyan, choose your default audience. Choosing a default audience automatically sets the audience for some content you share. But you can always change the audience for a specific post, story, or reel. You can change your settings anytime. So, pwede mo daw i-change yan So, may nakalagay dyan, public, friends, or custom. Syempre, wag mong i-custom or friends yan kasi nga, kailangan makita ka ng buong bansa or buong mundo, 'di ba? So click mo yung public and then next. And nakalagay dyan, start earning today in professional mode. Your profile may be eligible to earn money on Facebook. O, diba? Dahil lang dyan sa pag-turn on mo ng iyong professional mode, pwede ka nang maka-earn dito kay Meta or kay Facebook. Diba? Not eligible ang ating stars. So, syempre, bago pa lang yung account, hindi pa tayo eligible or hindi pa tayo pwede dito sa stars. Pero saglit lang din yan. And subscription. Okay, click mo lang yung next. After click next, you've unlocked new professional tools to help achieve your goals. Explore tools in your professional dashboard to grow your public presence. Explore new tools, insights, learn more about your audience and see how well your content is performing. Creation, manage your post and find new ideas to inspire you. Growth, respond to comments and access more tools to engage with fans. Creator education and support, access resources and creator support to support your growth in professional mode. So dito nakalagay dito ay panatilihin mo raw na talagang active ka or yung mga content mo laging talagang dinudumog or dinadagsa ng mga tao, talagang na-enjoy nila ang mga content mo. At isa pa, kailangan yung mga comment nila, yung mga pag-engage nila, kailangan sinasagot mo yun or talagang meron kang sinasabi para naman may engagement na nagaganap. Okay, then, i-click na natin yung and then after nyan, ayan nakalagay na, celebrate with the profile frame. So, ayan yung profile frame natin, 'di ba? So, ito yung frame na pasok ka na or naka-on na yung iyong professional mode. Ayan. Ikaw na yung bahala kung gusto mo i-share sa feed mo. Ayan, pwede mo rin i-skip kung gusto mo. Pero syempre tayo, i-click natin yung next. Okay, congrats! You're ready to start using professional mode. The next step is to go and visit professional dashboard to start achieving your goals. I-click mo na yung dashboard mo. So, ayan nga makikita mo sa ating dashboard na meron ka nang nakalagay na professional dashboard. O, diba, ganun lang kadali at pwede ka na talagang mag-earn or kumita dito kay Facebook sa napakadali lang, no? Hindi mo na kailangan ng napakaraming followers para lang maka-earn dito dahil kahit konti lang yung followers mo, pwede kang mag-start na kumita. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? I-try nyo nang i-on ang inyong mga professional mode. Tapusin nyo tong video na to mula umpisa hanggang dulo para mas maintindihan nyo step by step yung ating tutorial, no? Ayun. Ayan, thank you very much sa mga nanood ng ating video, sa mga nag-like at syempre mag-comment kayo ha para mapili kayo sa ating Pag-Gcash giveaways. Thank you very much. Goodbye and take care. Mwah.